Welcome to how to make my Chatterbox Chooser. You will need my free Chatterbox device chooser template, scissors and a flat surface. First, print and cut out the A4 template. Next, turn the template over. You should have the white side up and fold each corner so that its point is to the exact centre. The lines on the edge of the triangle should help you to line it up perfectly. Turn it back over and repeat the same folds on the other side. Make sure all the folds are very crisp. I always run my finger or my fingernail across them to make sure that the folds are very, very sharp. Then I fold it in half on both sides to make it easier to use. Line it up carefully and again, recrease all of the folds. Then fold it the other way. Now, use your finger to pull out each of the 4 flaps. Then you can use your thumb and your forefinger on both hands to be able to get under the flaps and make it work. So push forward and back and side to side. Start by picking a word from one of the flaps. Then make one chatterbox move for each of the letters. Then, when you've finished, choose one of the numbers that appears and then count those out. Again, one chatterbox move for each number. Lastly, choose another number, open that flap and read the description. Add the device there to your writing. Each one has a literary device. Add that device to your writing. You can use the Chatterbox as many times as you like. For more, visit chasingthejoyartwork.com. If you want more, the links appear in the description below. Thanks for watching!